So you also see a lot of white color right here, and it will be even more white after I finish. So if you do want to use white colors, I invite you to glaze this being. So the glaze is very simple. You can do it with transparent colors, golden, for example. This brand of acrylics is really great for it. So what I would suggest is to have transparent colors, and maybe not all the same but different, maybe purples and reds and magentas and turquoise. So selectively you can cover one part and the other part, and then use your fabric or napkin to take away extra that you don't need. And I already showed the glazing technique, so I'm not gonna go through that again. But in order for the light to shine, we need a darker background. So part of my work today in the morning was to take a darker color and go around the shapes that I already created and add the color around it, so that part that you've created starts showing up a little better. So you can create a darker outline, or you just can take the brush and darken the part that is a borderline between the white and the dark, and the white will pop up and you will see it much better. And just so you understand the meaning behind the light and the dark, the universe is traveling and expanding, and our Earth within the universe is also expanding and traveling. So what happens, you probably have heard about 2012 big shift. The shift was about our planet is moving from the darker part of the universe to the lighter part of the universe, where we receive more light. So we are the light beings, we are receiving more light, and therefore our light technologies are developing faster, and our ability to perceive light is developing very fast. So the consciousness is growing on our planet, and the shift was not one day, December 22nd shift. It's the shift continues, and we are moving, we're shifting from one place to another, and our creations are shifting with us. So when you acknowledge that, if you bring the light into your painting on the background of darkness, you connect your understanding of yourself as a light being and understanding of our collective consciousness moving into the lighter part of the universe. So using white, bright yellows, mixing white with other colors will give you that ability to add some interesting things in your painting. So I'm going to show you just so you understand what I'm talking about. If I make one part of that a little darker, let's say I'm glazing with this color, then I can take biophotons, little dots, and create some design on it. But without adding darkness, I won't be able to see that. So before you decide what design could be, and it could be anything, it could be sacred geometry, it could be a star, anything you want to put here, you need to create some darkness behind it. So dark things in our life, we call it negative, or not negative, they're just contrast on which we can create things that we want to see better. So if you are going through a dark period of your life, that means that you need to bring light in, and on that background of darkness, you can create something that you haven't seen yet. So switch on the light.